Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The white dash space property is used when you want to ensure text wraps in the element you are using. The default for any element is to automatically wrap text. The values for the white space property are normal, which is the default, and no wrap, as one word, which disables wrapping inside the element. The only time you need to apply the white space property is when you want to turn off text wrapping inside your element. The on-screen example shows our div selector with the white space property set to no wrap, a width of 50% of the web page, a thin grooved red border, and a padding of 10 pixels. Your web browser will display your div element with your border set at 50% of the page, and since the white space property is set to no wrap, the text flows outside of your element in a single line.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.